Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rotate your videos in CapCut PC. I have this video right here, and I'll just be rotating it. There's two ways you can do that. If you want to rotate it like at a precise angle, you're just going to select this one. Make sure you selected the clip or else it won't show up. Select this and you can rotate it this way 180 or 270 or 360. So there's the well, this is 90, but since I rotated it a couple of times, it's going to change the angle. Or you can go here, and if you want to, this is if you want to rotate it at like a slight angle. Here, as you can see, it's like super, it's not random, but it's like not at like a right angle or like at a precise angle. I don't really know how to explain it. I don't do math, but anyways, that is how you can rotate your videos in CapCut PC. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for all of you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!